Shh. Somebody's asleep. GooGoo, it's playtime. GooGoo loves playtime. Yay! He wants to play with his friends too. There they are. It looks like so much fun. There's Gaga and Harry on the seesaw. Up, down, up, down. GooGoo wants to play too. He's going to join them in the playground. Oh, what happened? Again? What is that? GooGoo can't get to the playground. GooGoo doesn't know what's stopping him. There's a big glass wall. Nobody in the playground can hear him. It looks like so much fun, but nobody can hear GooGoo. Okay, GooGoo's got an idea. He's not gonna give up. GooGoo's running and he jumps, but oh no, it's too high. Well, that didn't work. Yeah, push GooGoo, push. You can do it. Push harder. Push. Oh, the wall is just too big and heavy for GooGoo. It won't move even a little bit. But GooGoo's always got another idea. Where's he going? Into his room? What's that? Is that a spade, GooGoo? No one can hear you still. That's a good idea. Spades are for digging holes in the ground. Are you gonna dig a tunnel and go under the wall? Dig, GooGoo, dig. Yeah, dig a hole. No, it's not working, is it? What's this coming? Oh, it's GooGoo again. I wonder what he's doing. Uh-huh. It's so high, GooGoo. Catch! Hold on, GooGoo, hold on. Oh no. No, that idea didn't work either. Okay, GooGoo's got to think. Think hard, GooGoo. Think hard. He's got another idea. Well done, GooGoo. Lots of ideas. Lots and lots of balls to play with. Are you going to play by yourself, GooGoo? It looks like GooGoo's trying to call his friends. Can he get the ball over? Yay! At last, Gaga has seen him. Where did you go, Gaga? Is that GooGoo over there? Gaga is calling Harry. Oh, yeah, I can see. All his friends have come to see him. But he's still on the other side of the wall. And they can't hear him.
We can't hear you, GooGoo.
Listen, everybody, we've got to think about a way to get GooGoo across. Push! Push!
All together,
Push harder!
they're trying to push the wall down.
Let's get the wall down.
Careful! Don't squash GooGoo. wonder what's happening now.
Okay, up we go.
They're
Up,
making
up,
a
up.
tower.
Hold on.
What
Come on,
clever
GaaGaa.
friends GooGoo's got. Oh, they all fell down.
That was fun.
No, it didn't work, did it, GooGoo?
Come on, GaaGaa. Ooh, it's heavy. It's really heavy.
But why are you bringing the seesaw, GaaGaa and Harry? GooGoo is still on the other side of the glass wall. He can't play with
Okay,
you.
Wait a minute, GooGoo. Up we go. Up we go.
What a funny
One,
game.
2. Whoop.
Hold on, GaaGaa, hold on. Oh. What's that big thing coming, GooGoo?
Push, everybody. Push. Push.
Oh,
Push
all
harder.
his friends are pushing something.
Nearly there. Push.
Don't they want to see him anymore? GooGoo looks sad.
Here we go. 1, 2. Are you coming, GaaGaa? 3, 4.
Here they come.
GooGoo. GooGoo. Hey, come on. We'll catch you.
Jump, GooGoo,
We'll
jump.
catch you. He can't jump high enough, GaaGaa.
No, it's just too high.
Uh-huh.
Somebody's got an idea.
Yay! Go and get it, GaaGaa. Go on. Bring it here. Yay! Come on, GooGoo. Catch the rope. Catch the other end of the rope, and we'll pull you up.
They're sending you a rope, GooGoo. What a great idea. Yeah,
Pull! Pull!
let's go up.
Pull!
Whoa,
Pull!
here he comes. Here he comes. Yay, you got him.
Come on! At last, you're with us! Come and play with us! It's gonna be so much fun!
Yay, everyone's together.
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.